Getting paid online will be easier with the sources that I will share with you in today's video. They are absolutely free and you can get paid in passive income. In order to set them up properly, make sure to keep watching till the end of this tutorial so you can get the desired results. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So I'm going to get you notified every time we upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. With that said, I'm going to start right away with this video and I'm going to show you every single source that I have for you today. The very first one is called Picoworkers and it's over at picoworkers.com. I'm going to see that this is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with some easy to do affordable tasks. But let's get to know what kind of tasks you need to do as a freelancer in order to get paid. As you can see, there are some micro jobs that require little time to complete, for example testing an app, data collection, helping promote content and many more. And once you complete the task, it's going to be reviewed and you're going to get paid immediately. You don't need to wait for your payment. They do offer surveys and offers. You can take paid surveys and complete some offers for quick and easy income. You're going to go over to the paid survey tab, choose a survey, answer some questions and get paid. So as we saw before, they even give you the possibility to become like an influencer and promote some services, products and so on. Also, very soon they are going to just make it possible for you to just post some gigs so people can hire you over there. They can just ask you to do a job for them and you're going to get paid again and again. But in order to be able to post gigs, you need to go to the advanced level to attain that advanced level, and you need to do that once you successfully complete surveys, offers, micro jobs and so on, and earn some points in order to be able to do that. So they do offer an affiliate program, so you're going to get 5% of commission every time you promote Picoworkers to other people as well. So you're going to get paid in passive income. What I wanted to show is the payment proof, of course. You can go over to freelance and earn over here, and in the next page they are going to show you people from all around the world getting paid through the preferred payment method. They offer Skrill, PayPal, AirTM, Litecoin and so on. So PayPal is available just like I mentioned before. And people are making like a lot of money over here. As you can see, this person here has made almost $400, this one here most $500, and there are people that have made even more than $1,000 or more than $2,000. So it depends on you and how much time and effort you're going to put on this strategy to get the desired results. So as it says here, small gigs give you big results, and in order to get started so you can get paid just like these people are doing, you need to go over to the sign up button in the upper right corner. In the next page, you're going to just put your real name, an email address, a password. Then you need to confirm the password. You need to put a nickname. After that, you're going to select your country and you're going to see that it is available all around the world. Then you're going to select your profile type, which is going to be a worker, of course, because you are here in order to work, not to hire people. After that, you're going to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click on the sign up button. So after that, you're ready to go. You'll be able to just complete some easy tasks and get paid again and again. So I'm going to proceed right away to the second platform for today, which is called Earnably, and this is over at earnably.com. You're going to earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, taking surveys and so on. So it's very easy. You're going to see that you're going to get some points, you're going to accumulate them, and after that you'll be able to easily cash out through PayPal Cash, but also gift cards from Amazon, Facebook, Best Buy and so on. You have even wallet codes and many more. If you scroll down, you're going to notice that they offer a referral program, so you can get paid in passive income by just referring new people over here. You can invite your friends, family, but even people that you think that want to make money online. You can find them over to different social media groups and also to some forums on how to make money online, and you're going to earn 10% of their earnings for life. So even Earnably offered you the possibility to get paid in passive income just like Picoworkers with their affiliate program. So you're going to check out the reviews from Trustpilot. You can click over here. It's going to take you over to this page where you're going to notice that they got more than 1,000 of reviews and also 4.7 stars, which is pretty awesome actually, because most of the people have rated this platform as excellent, and this is a verified company according to Trustpilot. Another thing that you need to see is that this platform has been around since 2015 and they've been around for 7 years now, which shows that this is a legit platform, because most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time. So in order to get started with Earnably, you're going to find the sign up button here, and then you're going to click on it, put your information, and you're going to get started. But I want to mention that this platform, unfortunately, it's not available worldwide. There are some countries here missing, so just let me know in the comments down below if it works for you, where are you from, and so on. And don't worry, because you can use Picoworkers if you want to, if this the second platform doesn't work for you, because as we saw before, Picoworkers is available worldwide. And also I'm going to give you a last platform for today, and you can even make money from your phone. This is over at Google Play Store, so they offer an app over here. You can download it. It's called Streetbees, and they got more than 1 million of downloads with 4.3 stars reviews, and it is from more than 99,000 of reviews. Let's see how it works. You're going to get paid to chat. They're going to ask you some simple questions of your everyday lives, and you're going to respond to them. You can share your thoughts, take pictures, and you're going to earn cash for that. And they offer you no minimum payout, so once you want to cash out, you're going to easily get your money. So this is not your standard survey app. It is much more fun than that. You can share moments of your everyday lives, just like I said before. You're going to get paid up to $5 each time you do that. So you can share about your hobbies, to what you snack on, to the technology that you use, and so on. First of all, you're going to download the app for absolutely free, and after that you're going to create an account and become a bee, as they call it. After that you're going to take some stories, which are the surveys actually, and then you're going to just complete a survey that it takes like 2 to 5 minutes. After that you're going to get paid even up to £5 or dollars. Every time you complete them, you can enter into a prize draw, and you're going to get paid directly to your PayPal account, as you can see. And these stories includes like quick opinion polls, fun photos, video responses, and so on. So it's easy as that. They also offer an app on App Store. As you can see, they got like 4.4 stars with more than 1,000 of ratings. So if you are an iOS user, you can even download the Streetbees here on App Store. And I want to mention that they also have on website, on official website. You can go over to streetbees.com in order to see more about this platform, and they do offer an affiliate program actually. So if you want to get paid in passive income even with this platform, you can do that. You can just promote this platform to other people that you think that are interested in, and you're going to get paid in passive income again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.